Hello, welcome to National PC. Myself Prosenjit Das. Today I will show you one of the latest product just arrived in India, ASUS ROG NUC 16. This is the first time it is releasing in India. This ROG model, it will be coming with the various series like Ultra 9, Ultra 7 along with the graphics card or the top rated graphics card which is RTX 5080 16GB or RTX 5070 8GB. This particular model which I am right now showing you a quick unboxing. This model is coming with Ultra 9 290HX which has 24 core and 24 threads along with 32GB RAM. This 32GB RAM is coming 16GB plus 16GB COCDIMM 6400 MHz along with 2TB M.2 SSD. Also this mini PC, this ROG mini PC has the RTX 5080 GPU with 16GB GPU memory. So let's do a quick unboxing of this ROG NUC. Now I will show you all the ports available in this mini PC and how to install the RAM and SSD inside this mini PC. So let's start to begin the quick unboxing. Hello. So let's open the top part of this ROG NUC. This is ROG NUC 16. This is the main device. I will talk about later regarding this. Let's check what are the accessories inside this box. This is safety information and a quick manual. This side, this is the stand or base. It has the two parts. You just have to fix like this. I will show you how to install the stand. This side we have the adapter and the power cord. This is the ROG adapter. It's rated 380 watt, 20 volt, 19 ampere, and this port is little bit different, not like the other ROG NUC. This is the high wattage, that's why the ASUS is using this kind of port. This is our main device, ROG NUC 16. This is the front side. This is the ROG emblem is there. This is the power on off button. This is Type C port. This is headphone jack, and this is USB 3.2 port. This is the ROG logo. This side full ventilation. This side on ROG LED logo is there. This logo will glow up when you power on this button. This is one more fan is there for the cooling purpose. This side we have all the ports. This is USB 10 Gbps port, both 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2.5G Ethernet port. This is actually Thunderbolt port. This is 40 Gbps port. And these two are DP port and these two are HDMI port. And this is the power input, DC input. This is the Kingston lock, normally used for the display purpose. For opening purpose, we just have to simply lose this screw. This is a small cable for the LED. This is internal fan. One SSD is already installed. This is NVMe 1 and this is NVMe 2, and these two are the COCDIMM RAM 16GB plus 16.